In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly create a template in Microsoft Loop so you can save time and stay consistent across projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. First, open your browser, search for Microsoft Loop and head to the official site. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't already have it. Now, go to the page you'd like to turn into a template. This could be any page you've created that works as a standard layout for future tasks. Review it and make sure it's structured the way you want. On the left sidebar, hover over your page name until you see 3 dots appear. Click those dots to open more options. From the menu, select Save as Template. And that's it. Your page is now saved as a reusable template. Anytime you need it, you can apply that layout instead of starting from scratch, making your workflow faster and more efficient. Templates in Microsoft Loop keep your work organized, consistent, and time-saving, so you can focus more on creating and collaborating.